Okay, this is the old 24-inch Delta Rockwell. It actually says 1100 on the motor. Usually I see 1200 for the model. And let's see. And this thing is probably fairly old. Come on, focus. And I would say a little loose. So as I got it running, it was fairly quiet without any load. As soon as you have a load on it, though, this is the problem. This piece, I believe, is not locked onto the pin as it's supposed to be. I don't know if you can see this slot that's worn. It looks like there should be maybe this hole, some kind of pin in there. Whoops, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if there should be some kind of pin in this hole. There we go. It's hard to hold all this fracas and videotape this at the same time. There we go. You can see that slot that's worn in there. That does not look right to me. And I'd appreciate a little advice on this. I believe I can easily take it apart and have that fixed. Either that or find another replacement part. All right, over and out.